Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can mute audio and video on entry in BlueJeans meeting. So what you want to do is just be in BlueJeans and then just go right top corner to settings menu, and in settings you just want to scroll down below and you're gonna see it right here, moderator controls, mute audio on entry and mute video on entry. And I would leave the disable enter and exit notifications. It's like up to you if you want to have it or no. So this is how you do it. It's like pretty simple and pretty easy. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and that's probably it. So have a great day and goodbye.